Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto basil updated. Start by laying out 2 cups of packed basil leaves, 3 cloves of garlic, a 1/4 cup of pine nuts, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan, and about a 1/2 cup of olive oil. Pre-measure salt and lemon zest. Toast the pine nuts briefly for nuttiness, and have a blender or mortar ready so you can move straight to blending. Warm tip: toast the pine nuts until fragrant but not browned for the best flavor balance and to avoid bitterness. Pulse garlic with nuts first, then add basil in loose handfuls so the blades treat leaves gently. Stream oil in while blending to reach a silky, spreadable consistency. Stir in freshly grated Parmesan and a squeeze of lemon juice, then season with salt and taste to adjust brightness and thickness. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful, because it really helps me keep making recipes. Quick recommendation: I love a good everyday splurge. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, and you can find the link and other deals in the description if you want to grab a pair. Thanks, now let's get back to the video. To keep pesto vibrant, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface in a jar and add a thin layer of olive oil before sealing, or freeze small portions for later. Thawed pesto is perfect for tossing with hot pasta, spreading on toasted bread, or stirring into soups and marinades. A little reserved pasta water helps it emulsify back to a silky texture. Label frozen portions with date and use within a few months for best flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.